Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in yesterday's video we have introduced Python and we installed Python and VS Code and Thorny. Okay, so now in today's video we are going to see what is pip. So pip is basically Python package manager which comes along with Python, and while installing Python, if you have seen video properly, then I have shown that why we need to check this pip box and why we need to add Python 3.10 path to path. Okay, so that was the essential step, because when we use pip in our command line, then it should recognize our pip. So first I will show you. So I will first open command prompt. So command prompt, and here I will write pip -- version and hit enter, and you can see like I have pip 22.0.4. okay, so when you type this command and it shows you result something like this, then your Python installation is successful. And if it shows error like your pip is not recognized, then please comment down below or watch videos on YouTube, or you can see my last video, okay, introduction to Python. There I have shown like how we need to install pip Python along with pip. Okay, so I told that pip is Python package manager. That means pip can install modules or package through command line, and it can also uninstall packages. So for example, I am installing one package. Okay, so I will say pip install pandas. Okay, and I will hit enter. Then you can see it is installing pandas, right? So let this process get completed, then we will talk further. Okay, so package installation has been done. So here I will explain you first. So to install package, first you need to write pip, then install, and any package name, and press enter, then it will install the package for you. Now to uninstall, we need to write pip uninstall and package name, which is pandas. Okay, but before that, let me show you one another command like which is used to see which packages are installed in your system. Okay, so we can write pip list. By executing this command, you can see the list of the package which are installed in your system currently. And there is one more command, alternate command, which is pip freeze. FREEZE. Okay, this also gives you the list of the packages, right? Now let's see how we can uninstall the packages. So I want to uninstall pandas, which I have installed currently. Okay, so I will just say pip uninstall pandas and press enter, and please write yes. Then you can see it has uninstalled pandas. Now if I say pip list again, then pandas is now uninstalled, right? It is not showing over here. So yeah, this was the pip in Python, and in next video we are going to see what is print in Python, print function. Okay, so yeah, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.